Hi, this is Jim at Pro Auto Parts. Today we're going to be doing the KAP single exhaust manifold repair bracket. This single bracket does any of the middle bolts on either side of a LS motor, such as 4.8, 5.3, 6.0, or 6.2. And it is made for any of the middle bolts, not the ends, but on the middle. All you're going to need basically for this bracket is a 9/16 wrench. That wrench you can use, it doesn't have to be, but we use it to hold the bracket a little bit in place while you're tightening the bolt. Optional if you want to do it. There's a spot for it. Also, you need about a 3-inch extension, 3/8 drive or so, 17mm socket, and a ratchet. That's all the tools you're going to need. I'm going to show you how to put her on here. All you really need to do is take off the number 1 spark plug here on this side. Actually, it's number 3 or number 2, I mean. Take that off of the coil, get it out of the way, and make sure the bolt hole here is good and clean and everything. And this one looks real good. Usually they do. And basically, you get the bracket down there with the bolt and get it in place. Turn your bolt in, and like I say, it's optional. If you want to hold the bracket with a wrench here, you can do that. You can put a wrench on here and hold it in place and put it where you want it, and get it as close as you can down. It's going to maybe touch a little bit on the spark plug wire here, but it's not going to hurt anything. Usually I kind of cut the difference here where it's kind of happy to go, and tighten down the 17mm bolt. You just got to snug it. You don't have to get real crazy with it. Make it tight enough that you know it's not going to move. And then tighten the pinch bolt down. The pinch bolt's right here. And tighten it down, and like I say, you can keep holding it with the wrench if you think it's going to try to move on you. Otherwise, take the wrench out. Just pull it down and pull it good and tight. And make sure you pull it down very good and tight. They will seat themselves at the end where it's going to get where you can't turn it. Okay, we got her there. That's basically all that's to it. You put the plug wire back on. Make sure it's snapped in all the way with all 3 clips. And like I say, it might rub slightly against the wire here, but it is not going to hurt anything. It's not going to transfer heat enough to bother. I mean, there's plenty of thread area here and bolt to take care of the heat problem. Like I say, these brackets are made for any of the middle bolts. It can be put on even like where the dipstick one is here. You can take that bolt out and put it in for one of the middle ones here. And that's on either side. And our parts are all US made, and they're of very high quality. Thank you.